In this video, we're going to look at how we should be driving our hybrid in order to get the best out of it. With hybrids, the engine never really gets that warm. It's not being used all the time. In fact, in a lot of cases, running around town at low speeds, it's usually about 25 to 27 miles an hour and lower, the electric only motor is doing all the work, and then the combustion engine kicks in to supplement that power. This means that internal combustion engine is not warming up. Now, manufacturers have really tightened up the tolerances. The associated problems that you would get on older engines with excessive blow-by is certainly minimized on your modern hybrid engine. And the formulation of oil is also much thinner. Although it's still a multigrade, it's not as multigrade as the older oils, so it flows quite well when it's cold. The problem though is with very cold engines, and crucially not allowing the engine to fully warm up, we are dumping moisture and fuel into the oil. If we have a hybrid, then it is really good to drive it hard. Don't drive it on electric only mode all the time. Make sure we boot it, we allow the engine to warm up, and then we enjoy a spirited drive. A lot of hybrid engines are extremely reliable. The Toyota Lexus group, for example, sit at the top of league tables, and most of their cars now are hybrid engines. They've really perfected the art of the hybrid engine, but they are still subject to these problems. And we're talking about a problem that could perhaps shorten the lifespan of the car. Maybe the car would happily run to 300,000 miles, and our driver neglect of just eco driving and doing short journeys is knocking 50,000 off that potential. If we do only do short journeys and we don't have the option of these spirited long drives at regular periods, it makes sense to change the oil more frequently. That's where the damage is accumulated, or that is where the problem is going to arise. And it's a runaway situation. A brand new engine has got really tight tolerances. As the engine wears and starts to wear more quickly, those tolerances are reduced. The risk of this blow-by problem and the moisture escaping into the oil goes up exponentially as the wear and tear happens on the engine. So it's something that accelerates and builds up into a bigger problem over time. Let me know what your experience has been with a hybrid vehicle. Are you able to get the engine up to operating temperature once or twice a week or every day, or has it never really got up to operating temperature? If we have a car, let's enjoy it. Let's use it as the manufacturer intended. I'm not endorsing ridiculously spirited driving, doing burnouts and donuts everywhere and screeching around the corners, but just enjoy the revs. Use the full RPM range occasionally when that engine has fully warmed up. And in a lot of cases, because we're using the torque band or the power band, we're going to be getting better fuel economy, which is a big worry for drivers. They tend to be afraid to use the accelerator pedal because it's going to cost them money. Please boot the like button. That helps us to get out there. The algorithm loves to see that, loves to know that you're commenting on these videos. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. That also helps us to get out there, and you won't miss out on the great content we've got planned. And speaking of great content, you've got this playlist and this video that you should find really interesting. Thanks for watching. See you in this next video.